Hi, this is Attorney R. Jafari from AJ Law Practice, and today we're going to see what happens when you're at fault of an accident. What can you do? Why is it so important for us to discuss this today? It's important because this can hugely impact your personal injury case, whether you even have a personal injury case or not. So here are the exact steps that you need to take if you're determined to be at fault of an accident. Well, first, let's go over how do you know whether you're at fault or not. Number one, right after a wreck, if you get the crash report or the police report and you're listed as driver number 1, you can be sure that you're at fault. Number 2, if right after the car wreck, the nice police officer comes up to you, gives you a citation, you can be sure that you're at fault. Number 3, if the nice police officer comes up to you right after the wreck and says you're at fault of the accident, you can be sure that you're at fault of the accident. So what can you do once you have all this and you know that you've been determined to be at fault? How do you dispute it? Because you believe deep down that you're not at fault. You didn't do what they're saying that you did. Here are the exact steps that you need to take. Number 1, you need to have taken as many pictures as possible. And this is where all those pictures come in handy. This is taking pictures of the wreck, the actual wreck, what happened to your car and the other side's car, any debris from the accident, skid marks, or any other supporting documents. Call your own insurance company and dispute that you're at fault as soon as possible and submit all these documentations to them as soon as possible. They usually take a few days to investigate, and then once they determine who's at fault, they'll let you know. Number 2, you need to fight the citation or the traffic ticket that you received. How do you do that? By going to court, by getting an attorney involved, and making sure that they fight on your behalf to make sure that, of course, you're not found to be at fault. And that requires, in a lot of cases, to put witnesses on the stand and to go to an actual trial, to get the officer to come in and testify, and a lot more details. So always get an attorney involved. Of course, it's always good to know that there are no guarantees in life, and in this case, in cases like these too. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, concerns, I'm always here to answer. Stay safe, my friends. Have a wonderful day. Again, this is R. Jafari with AJ Law Practice. Take care.